carpet. Get me the station master.
Do we really need the station master?
To the station master.
To the station master.
I'm sorry, madam, but the red carpet is reserved for royalty.
What, all of it? I mean, couldn't you turn it over and use the other side?
I'm afraid that would be against regulations, madam.
Well, I think that's appalling, when single-handedly this man has sailed round something.
The horn. The horn.
Good idea, Richard. Have you got a horn?
I beg your pardon?
If we can't have the red carpet, could you blow your horn?
No, the Commodore sailed round the horn single-handed.
There you are, you see? Round the horn, single-handed. And he has to come here to an unmarked platform. Haven't you got a band?
No, madam.
Can't you even find a porter who can play the mouth organ? Oh, unbelievable. The vast resources of British Rail, and they can't even provide a band. Where is this horn thing, anyway?
Extreme tip of South America. Sailor's nightmare. Blows down there.
Well, of course it blows. It's a horn. Here's the train now.
Do we know what he looks like?
I fancy I can recognize an old sea dog when I see one. Ah! Come along, Richard. Commodore! Everything's ship-shape, I hope. Right and Bristol fashion. Have you brought your horn?
Horn? You seem to be labouring under some misapprehension, madam.
Obviously the shy type. See how much we have in common. Come along, Commodore. First we tie up for a little light refreshment, and then the ladies are waiting.
I am not a Commodore. Is she mad?
She's my wife.
You have my deepest sympathy.
How dare he wear a beard like that? Masquerading as naval personnel.
But how are we going to find the Commodore in this lot?
Leave that to me, dear. Oh, Shenandoah, I love your daughter. Oh, hey, you.
Got time for a cup of tea?
Yes, I'm sure we have.
He's bound to be on the next one. What time's it due?
12:18. That clock must have stopped.
Attention please. British Rail regret to announce that due to a landslip affecting the embankment between Middleton and here, trains are being terminated at Middleton until further notice. The first train to be affected will be the 12:18 from Rugby.
Oh, no! Poor Commodore, lost in a landslip.
What a pity. We better go home.
Richard, I will not leave the Commodore without a lifeboat. We shall drive to Middleton and rescue him. Come along.
Oh, no!
What an impertinence. Take it off, dear.
Can't take it off.
Really, Richard? I wonder if your heart's fully set on this expedition.
I'll tell you what's set.